Hello, hello, hello. Hi again. So here we are. I think it's been almost 2 years. 2 साल बाद मिल रही हूँ आपसे. कुछ नहीं, बस जिम से वापस आई हूँ. आज डांस वर्कआउट था. दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई ट्राइड अ डांस वर्कआउट एंड आई हैड सो मच फन. तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई मीन इट्स अ फैमिली ऑफ 97 पीपल एंड वी ऑब्वियसली वांट टू एक्सपैंड एंड ग्रो इन द फ्यूचर. वो कहते हैं ना कि मुसीबत के टाइम भी आपके साथ जो खड़ा रहे वो आपका सच्चा दोस्त है. अभी तक आपने मुझे फॉलो कर रखा है. दैट शोज लॉयल्टी या फिर केयरलेसनेस. फॉरगिव मी. What I mean is, या तो आप फॉलो करके भूल गए, but whatever the reason may be, I am glad that you are here with me and let's begin this new journey together. ये ग्लो, ये फ्लश, ये सब वर्कआउट का रिजल्ट है. दिस क्लियरली प्रूव्स कि यू शुड गो वर्कआउट टू गेट ग्लोइंग स्किन and of course a healthy body. Last we spoke was the time when I was planning to go to Delhi for my training. As you may not know, I'm an airline pilot with one of the leading airlines in India. Now this is not like any other video that you see on YouTube because it is raw, unfiltered and very real. So as you already saw from the title, I would be sharing the stuff that I bought from Nykaa sale. अब सेल तो ख़त्म हो गई है, लेकिन मैंने ये पैकेट रखा हुआ है कि मैं आपको ये सब दिखाऊंगी. ओके, गीज़र मेरा ऑन है, डिनर मुझे बनाना है. Let's get into the video. These are all the things that I use on a regular basis. So as pilots, most of our time is spent in the aircraft where air is very dry and you do need to keep yourself hydrated and moisturized. Starting with the first product, which is this Bioderma moisturizer. I have been using this moisturizer for almost 5 years now. It is my holy grail. None of the other moisturizers that I have used come close to this one. I have dry skin. Even on the days when I'm operating 4 sectors, a pea size amount of this one is enough for me to survive the day. Okay, moving on to the next item I got. This is also something that I've been using for past 1 year now. So this is Propolis Synergy Toner. It has got propolis extract, very good for the dry skin, and you can see the advantages of propolis as an ingredient. If you're a guy or a girl, if you have dry skin, go for a hydrating toner. फिर मैंने मंगाई IndieWild का लिप बाम. ये मुझे चाहिए था just for a pop of color. Change in my background. I'm standing here in my kitchen. ये है हमारी pesto spaghetti, one that I regularly use on my flights. This is the one. इसका पूरा print उड़ गया है, but it is from IndieWild. This is non-tinted. It has this pink print. I think better light में अच्छा दिखेगा. This is the first time I've ordered something from this infamous brand Biodance. Biodance, I think that's how it's pronounced. It's collagen gel toner pads. Ek second now, let me just open the box. These are toner pads rich with collagen gel in them. Next thing I ordered is this shampoo from Bioderma. It is very mild, good for daily use. It doesn't create a lot of foam, so people who like to have shampoos with thick foam to feel squeaky clean, I don't think it's for you. But I liked it. For people with oily skin, this is a really good moisturizer. Actually, it's good for both dry as well as oily. Now, I am one of those people who love recording every single second of their lives, and it is a fact that today is the youngest you will ever be. And in the next 10-20 years, when I look back and I go through these videos or my photos, I would feel really proud of myself and I would get to relive those moments. So that's why I'm here. Okay, बहुत ब्लैबर कर लिया मैंने. Do share your comments, your views. I would love to know what you think about this video and what do you want to watch in the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.